My dear students, now we are going to start our class Animals and Where They Live. In this session, we'll do something cheerful activities. So, I will call 6 students in front of the class. Please come. 6 students, please come. Okay. Now, make a round. Okay, make a round and make a circle. Thank you very much. My dear students, I will tell you, Shwani is monkey and lion. Bina is lion and you are fox and you are deer and you are tiger and you bear. You bear. জোরে ওর হাতে চড় দেবে দিয়ে বলবে I am monkey. Okay, you will I am lion.
I am fox. I am deer. I am tiger. I am bear.
Okay, thank you very much. Make a big clap. Now I can start.
I am lion. I am fox. I am deer. I am tiger. I am bear.
Now start again. Shwana.
I am lion. I am fox. I am deer. I am tiger. I am bear.
Okay, thank you very much. Now clap. Clap. Start.
You are fox. You are deer. You are tiger. You are bear. You are monkey. You are lion.
Okay, thank you very much. Everybody clap. Now start Bina.
You are fox. You are deer. You are tiger. You are deer. You are monkey. You are lion.
Thank you very much. Tell with me.
Help.
Understand? সবাই বলো monkey,
Monkey.
bear,
Beer.
bear,
Beer.
tiger,
Tiger.
tiger,
Tiger.
deer,
Deer.
deer,
Deer.
fox,
Fox. Fox.
fox,
Fox.
fox,
Fox.
lion,
Lion.
lion,
Lion.
lion. Okay, again. Monkey,
Monkey.
bear,
Beer.
tiger,
Tiger.
deer,
Deer.
fox,
Fox.
lion.
Lion.
Okay, monkey. Ready? Monkey, monkey. Thank you. Monkey, monkey. Bear, bear. Deer. Okay. Fox. Lion. Okay. Monkey, monkey. Bear, bear. Tiger. Tiger. Deer. Tiger.